end of an era as Mayor Pradle stepped down as leader of our city to make way for a new team to take office. Naperville News 17's Alyssa Bohenick has more.
The gavel has officially been passed as Naperville's Mayor Pradle stepped down after 20 years on the job.
That I hope that if I've had a little part in helping some young person in this world, that's all that I really wanted to do, was have an opportunity to be with a group that would make a difference, and we have made a difference, I think.
At an inauguration ceremony at City Hall, Pradle turned his office over to the new mayor of Naperville, Steve Chirico, who looks forward to his time serving the city.
We will always listen, and I know that everybody up here will do the best and make the most honest decision that they can for Naperville residents. And so we're truly grateful to be here, and I'm very excited.
Also sworn in were 6 new faces on the board, including Becky Anderson, Rebecca Boyd-Orbarski, Kevin Coyne, Kevin Gallagher, Patty Gustin, and John Crumman, who will serve alongside incumbents Paul Hinterlong and Judy Broadhead. Just 2 days later, the newly elected council had their first meeting and wasted no time getting down to business, as several local taxi drivers came to them asking to help regulate unfair competition within Naperville. Upset with the local presence of Uber, the mobile application-based transportation system, and their lack of regulation by the city, taxi companies want to see some change.
There's an ordinance in Naperville that says that no one shall drive a vehicle and pick up within the city limits of Naperville without a taxi license. And this has been going on for about a year and a half now. And we're getting tired of it.
Naperville does not currently have any regulations of their own with Uber, but City Attorney Jill Pelko-Wilger says that because the service is marketed as a phone app, they have rules to follow under state law.
Uber drivers have to provide the appropriate insurance. They have to go through criminal background checks. They have to not receive a certain number of tickets within the last year.
Taxi drivers were also concerned with Uber's solicitation of rides near cab stands, which they noted has caused a decrease in their own business. The city plans to look further into the issue before continuing the discussion. Reporting from City Hall, I'm Alyssa Bohenick for Naperville News 17.
The next City Council meeting will be on May 19th.